Hi guys, if you downloaded an app on your Shopify store and you want to delete it or remove it, then this video is for you. You want to just open your Shopify. After that, log into your Shopify store. I'm going to select this store, for example. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, to remove apps from your Shopify store is you want to click settings at the very bottom left. And then it will give you a few different options here. You want to select apps and sales channels. Alright, now you will find all the installed apps that you have installed on your Shopify. Now you can remove these apps by clicking uninstall, as you can see. And then click give the reason for the app. Like every app will ask you why you are deleting the app. For example, I found a better app. And then you can describe here your experience. And then click delete here. And that's exactly, guys, how you can delete apps from your Shopify store. You can do the same thing again and again and again until you delete all the apps that you want. Now, if you want to go to your Shopify app store to download other apps, click on that in the top right, as you can see. And then you can download any app you want. So if you find value in this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.